In today's world, the way we create wealth is changing. Traditional finance is no longer enough. People are looking for global, secure, and smarter financial opportunities. And this is where the revolution begins. Earnex Capital LLC, not just a platform. A wealth revolution. Strategically founded with roots in Georgia and Seychelles, Earnex Capital stands at the intersection of global opportunity, regulatory flexibility, and innovative financial growth. Leadership. Earnex Capital is led by strong global leadership. Founder and Chief Executive Officer, Matteo Rossi. Global CEO, Robin Gilthorpe, a 25-year veteran in finance and insurance technology. Together, they drive a vision to build a trusted, borderless financial ecosystem where every client experiences real growth, real security, and real value. Core business pillars. Earnex Capital operates through three core sectors. Fund management, expert-driven investment strategies designed to preserve and grow capital in global markets. Non-banking financial solutions. Smart and flexible financial services like credit, payment solutions, and business finance beyond traditional banking limitations. Insurance and risk protection, comprehensive insurance products to secure assets and financial futures. Earnex is not just a trading service, it is a complete 360 degrees financial ecosystem. Advanced trading technology. Traders can view live forex, equities, commodities, and indices pricing. Analyze smart charts and indicators. Place instant buy, sell orders. Run automated trading robots, expert advisors. MT5 gives users the complete trading cockpit for professional level control. Earning opportunities. Earnex provides 7 powerful income streams. Remittance income. Liquidity boost income. Community profits. Boost on community profits. Community matching income. Community rank income. Earnex Club rewards. Business plans and remittance. Plan 1, $50 to $4,950 daily remittance, 0.60%, 0.70%, Monday Friday, total earning capacity, equals 2.5x. Plan 2, $5,000 and above daily remittance, 0.70%, 0.80%, Monday Friday, total earning capacity, equals 2.5x. Optional. If the user enables compounding, daily earnings are automatically added to the principal, increasing the next day's returns. Liquidity boost. Earnex's Liquidity Boost program provides up to 100% boost rewards within a structured 30-day business cycle. Week 1 50%, Week 2 30%, Week 3 20%, Week 4 final reward completion. Higher network business equals higher boost income. Community profits. Members earn tier-based commissions. T1 7%, T2 5%, T3 3%. From T4 to T18, deeper levels unlocked based on self-investment, self-ID. Total network business volume. Higher network growth equals more earning layers unlocked. Community matching. Matching ratio, 1:1, left team is to right team. Matching commission, 5% of total matched volume. Daily income limit, $500 per day. If you refer a member with equal or higher package, your income limit increases up to 4x. Community rank income. Ranks from FX to FX9 reward daily income for 30-day cycles. Higher self-investment, higher matching business equals higher daily rewards. Top ranks may earn up to $35,000 per day. Earnex Club and Alpha Men Global. Earnex Club rewards top performers with 1% to 5% reward bonuses. FX7 achievers join the Alpha Men Global Circle, sharing 10% of the company's global matching pool. Terms and conditions. First ROI after 48 hours. Minimum withdrawal $10, in multiples of $10. 1 withdrawal per day. Non-working income cap, 2.5x. Working non-working combined cap, 4x, with referral condition. Withdrawal address cannot be changed once updated. Closing. Earnex Capital LLC is more than an earning platform. It is a global wealth empowerment system built on trust, technology, and financial intelligence. Thank you.